To enable and use accessibility menu in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the accessibility and convenience. Then go to accessibility on the top, and that way you'll be able to locate accessibility menu. You can activate this right here, and then you can customize it in accessibility button. In accessibility button, you can change if you want the button to be floating around like I have it right here, or to have it in the navigation bar as this accessibility icon. For floating button, you can also change the size for it and enable or disable fade when it's not being used. And you can also adjust the transparency for it like that. Now, when we have this button, we can click on it, and that way call out the accessibility menu, which allows you to control your device in many different ways. So for example, you'll be able to power it off without touching any of the physical buttons. You can adjust the volume without the volume buttons. You can lock your screen without the power key as well, adjust the brightness, swipe down on notifications bar, and etc. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.